ಹಾಯ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನ ನಾವು 8ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ವಿಷಯ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಪೋಯಮ್ 6 ಕೋರಮಂಡಲ ಫಿಶರ್ಸ್ ಈ ಪಾಠಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಉತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಸೆಮರಿಯನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಸಾಗೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ. C1. Answer the following questions. 1. Question number 1. What sort of sounds can one hear early in the morning? One can hear the chirping sound of the birds, the sound of the leaves of the coconut tree, the sound of the rising waves, the voice of the fishermen gathering their nets and boats. Question number 2. How is the wind described in a line 2? If the child cries all night, it will sleep calmly in the early morning like that the wind blowing. All night lies asleep in the arms of the dawn. Question number 3. Why are the nets to be gathered? Answer. The fishermen put their nets on the sand to dry in the morning before they set to go. The nets are to be gathered. Question number 4. What do you think is the wealth of the fishermen? The fishes in the sea are the wealth to the fishermen. Read and write. C2. Read and discuss. Question number 1. What do you understand from the first line of the poem? The wakening sky spread to the morning light. Answer. I feel it the skills that were sleeping in the dark room of the night have aroused themselves from the slumber with the first ray of the morning light of dawn. It appeared as if the sky was offering prayer to the sun god. Question number 2. The poet says, let us set our catamarans free. What does it mean? Answer. The poet said to free the catamarans because after fishing, the fishermen tied their catamarans to the pool. In the morning, they have to go to fishing, so they must untie their catamarans. Question number 3. What happiness if the fishermen are late in starting their work? Answer. If the fishermen are late in starting their work, the wind starts blowing. It is difficult to reach the deep part of the ocean and they were not able to follow the seagull's call. Question number 4. Why does the poet say? 1. The sea is our mother. Like the mother, the sea helps the fishermen to earn their living, food, cloth, shelter. So they consider the sea as their mother. Second one, the cloud is our brother. Like a brother, the clouds show them the direction of the winds. 3. The waves are our commanders all, like the commander's friends. The waves help the fishermen to go to the middle of the sea. By rise and fall of the waves protect them on the sea like friends. C3. Answer the following in paragraph 1. The poet describes many things as sweet. What are they? Among them, what is considered to be the sweetest? Answer. The coconut tree said is sweet. The smell of the mango grove is sweet. The sands at the full moon day is sweet. The voice of the people is sweet. The kiss of the spray means the water comes out of the waves and sprinkles of the sweeter. The dance of the wild foam sound is also sweeter, and the cool breeze of the sea is considered to be the best of the sweetest. C4. Name the following figures of speech put in the following sentence. C5. List out the rhyming words in the poem. Read them out to the class. Coromandel fishes poem summary in English. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮ್ಮರಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿಯವರೆಗೆ ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.